Hello, hey, boy. Who's that, Jada?
I told you we're coming.
This is gonna be great video. Hello. Pretty good. How are you doing? Allison Bridges, and she is going to make some Korean barbecue. I don't think I've ever had Korean barbecue. She's telling me a little bit about it, but right now she's telling me about this awesome machine she's making. You know, what is it again? What is this?
It's a this is a Ninja Foodie, and it's an air fryer and pressure cooker, electronic pressure cooker all in one. It also bakes, sears, steams, does all kind of stuff, dehydrates, does just about anything you want it to do.
And when telling me about it, she asked if I had some other thing that I don't have. An Instapot. So,
which is also a pressure cooker. It just doesn't have the air fryer and all the other functions like this has.
So if I'm gonna start like telling my parents and my sisters and anybody I can get to watch this what I need for Christmas or birthday, or just thinking of gifts.
Yeah, a Ninja Foodie's the best because like this does everything. You don't ever have to hook
Ninja Foodie, but
especially for like one person, you don't ever have to heat up your kitchen again because you can use this as an oven or a stove.
Well, a lot of things I've been looking at recipes call for air fryer.
And this is an air fryer.
So that does it all.
It air crisps, which is air fries. It pressure cooks. It steams. It bakes and roasts. It slow cooks. I don't like the slow cooker function on it. It doesn't work as well as a regular crock pot does. But it broils, it sears and sautés, and it dehydrates. You can also make yogurt in it. You can do all kind of stuff in it. But if you have an Instapot, we're going to be using the pressure cook function, so you can do exactly this. We're going to use the sear function, and then we're going to use the pressure cook function. So if you have an Instapot or any kind of the electronic pressure cookers, you can do this same recipe. And if you don't have this equipment and you want to just throw everything in a crock pot the night before, you can do it that way too. So
traditionally, it said that beef, chicken, pork, you do Korean barbecue with, but traditionally they put it on the coals or grill. But times have evolved, and I think ninjas are actually from Japan.
Probably.
So this would be Japanese. Okay, so we got some ginger going in there, and how much ginger are you putting in?
Probably about maybe a tablespoon of grated ginger.
I
was just going to show you, if you have fresh ginger, you can use ground ginger.
Oh, a trick of the trade.
If you have fresh ginger and you want to get the peel off of it, and this one you don't have to peel it for this recipe, but if you wanted to, you just
How do you know how deep the peeling goes? It's so hard to tell.
Just because it's just the surface. You just barely take a spoon and just barely scratch the surface.
I think I cut too much off when I peel mine.
Well, yeah, because you probably use a knife.
Yeah.
If you use a spoon, you just scrape the skin off and it just comes off like that. And then I'm probably going to grate this whole thing and then freeze the rest. It has a high burning,
flash point.
Yeah, flash point, and so it won't smoke as you can, it won't burn.
Ah, so tell me a little bit about that. The higher the flash point, the
hotter you can cook before you'll get the smoke.
Oh, so I need to start using something besides vegetable oil. Some little
Korean barbecue, because we're not like grilling on a hibachi and doing it like really thin slice.
Right.
But this is it's Great Value, which is Walmart brand.
Yeah.
Great Voyager sauce packs. They have several different varieties. This is the Korean barbecue, and to me, it's the best.
Well, I was trying
Korean barbecue sauce that you can get is cheap. It's like $4 for this whole. An eighth of a cup of rice wine vinegar.
How much soy sauce?
A fourth of a cup. I think that's a fourth. Is that a fourth? Oh, it's a third. A third of a cup.
I saw you putting some minced garlic in there
too. Third of a cup of soy sauce, and so that was a sixth of a cup of rice wine vinegar, about half of this. And then I put about probably 2 teaspoons of garlic, that's already been minced.
How much of the ginger are you
and
gonna
then the
use?
ginger, I'm gonna do probably about an inch of it. And I'm
Whoa,
just
that's a lot. That's a lot.
Yeah, it is, because it's gonna have a really good ginger flavor. But this is also not gonna be something that, this sauce is not the sauce that you're gonna eat. This is just the sauce that we're gonna pressure cook.
Right.
And it's just to give a little extra flavor. So we're gonna do.
That set for, you said 24 minutes?
I did it for 25.
25 minutes.
On high pressure.
25 minutes high pressure, and we're gonna take, come here.
And then we're gonna let it release naturally. We're not gonna let the steam off of it. So
We're gonna take y'all for a walk for
Yeah.
25 minutes. Hey, do you know why North Koreans draw the straightest lines?
why?
Because they have a supreme ruler. You like that? All right,
I like
explain
that one. It's cooked.
Okay.
And you can see it's just falling apart in here now.
Wow, and that quick,
Yep,
that tender.
quick. That tender, yep. And it's just falling apart.
And how much do these ninja things run? That is Korean barbecue, and I know it's got a kick to it, and that is the corn I was speaking of. And that is Princess Dynamite. What'd you say? Ooh, was that good? Thumbs up. Oh, you don't have thumbs. Beaux, what about you?
Sam? Good boy. Steve. I like that.
Ah, what gets me is they don't notice I'm filming them, right? They notice I'm Oh, was that a kiss? Was that a lip-to-lip kiss? Cutie. That little tail gets going so fast. He's gonna eat you up. He's gonna eat you up. Really? American were arguing about what currency he uses in South Korea. The Korean won. That's their currency.
Oh.